I'm in Manila from time to time, like for vlog-related events, like work or client meetings. Sorry, like we live in the highway.
I can't get enough of myself.
Hey, what's up? It's Mike, and this is my first vlog, and I'm so sorry because I wanted to have a better, like, first vlog, introduction, welcome to YouTube kind of thing. But I'm in the middle of packing right now, and packing for a week trip in Manila. A lot of people don't know this yet, but I'm actually based here in Dagupan and not in Manila. I moved back here ever since I left art school like 2 years ago, I think. So yeah, I'm still an undergrad. So I'm basically here in Dagupan half of the month, and the rest of my month I'm in Manila. So I do get why some people get confused on where do I actually live or where am I really based. So yeah, to clear that up, I'm based in Dagupan and not in Manila. So I'm currently planning my week in Manila. This is what I usually do, so I know I can make the most out of my stay. I schedule my meetings, my pullouts, my meetups with friends and all those shit. I schedule it all in 1 week just so masulit ko yung buong week and maging productive. And yeah.
Missing someone.
Hola. This is your bag, right? Tama yung nakuha kong bag, di ba? So it is really broken. So this is the room we sleep on. Basically, there's 2 beds. We sleep on the floor. We actually also eat on the floor, as you can see, and we do also on the floor. I don't know. That's how we do everything. And so yeah, it's messy. I know it. We're messy. Well, I'm organized, but I just arrived, so I'm still about to fix it later. So.
What are you gonna do with bad lighting, Mike? Huh? What are you gonna do then, huh? That's right. That's right. I know you can't do it. I know.
Cricket, cricket. So I'm currently on the way to SM Aura for the Metro event, and I'm kind of late, but there he is. Hi.
Let's go.
Oh my god,
It's you.
So this is the design that I chose. It's the Tropicana trainers. Kamusta ang jingle? alcohol. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. And, ano ba?
Ano po mga pinamili nyo?
Masarap yung ano.
Chicken cordon bleu.
So, I just arrived here at BGC and I'm currently at Krispy Kreme kasi hindi pa ako makain ng breakfast nor lunch. Pero kasi kakagising ko lang. But I needed to go here na agad kasi feel ko malilate ako sa pupuntahan. So, yeah. So, we're currently walking towards F1 Hotel where knock 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 is. I'm gonna pick up my check and we're going to Makati later. Payday. Payday. So now we're here at SM Makati and I'm doing a pull out for SM Accessories right now and I'm with Michael. And yeah, let's see how this goes.
Hi guys, welcome to Mike's vlog.
Where are we going?
And do follow me. I'll put it here.
Ask my backpack, Dora. Where are we going? Oh! Bye!
Someone's leaving.
Oh my God, who's leaving?
Oh, pwede ka ba? Hindi ka prepared.
Ingat.
Ano sa amin? Ano nangyari? Oh, bayad daw to ng bill eh. Pangbayad ng bill outfit. I like.
Pangbayad ng bill.
So it's 3 a.m.
Oh my god.
It's 3 a.m. and we're at Army Navy. Hi, Michael.
Michael is drunk, guys.
So I'm now on my way to BGC and obviously I'm late for my 5 p.m. appointment. That's stupid. Basically, after ko magpa-pamper, pinapalakad ako ng mga kaibigan ko to Big Bad World. Mabait talaga nila, guys. house to Bonchon!
Hashtag Bastu Sundays.
Let's look at this fucking view. Look at that dog! Drank last night, obviously, so we kind of slept late than the others. So yeah, now I'm off to the clubhouse to eat breakfast. So yeah. So I just finished shooting for Tokyo and now I have to eat all of this. And anyway, I'm about to finish it and I'm gonna go to Mega Mall after for Flawless.
Lotte, it's Frankie!
Ay, alam ko na yung ano mo, title ng vlog mo na yan.
Welcome to Pradera Verde, home of Pradera Verde Farm. So many giraffes. Oh, there's a pig. Wait lang. Pagaan ka kasi. Ayan. Oo. Ay, nasa CR na.
It's gonna be in the vlog. Oh my god.
This is so pretty.
This is the real me.
This is the real me.
Wow!
Tabo.
Mike! Mike Essential!
Buksan mo daw. Ano?
Ilang shower, sobra. Ito, tabo. Tawag mo ito. Tabo. Pang-iiyak.
Gago pa iiyak.
Nice.
So this is my booth. This is Duff's booth.
I'm not yet done. Mike.
This is Jessa's booth.
I'm not yet done.
And this is my gadget booth. Oh, I like this top, Michael.
That's for Michael.
Oh, I love it.
I can't
Gusto yung memo dito. The Exorcist. Oh, just a banana. Wait lang. Best Pajama Award goes to Idan Duyan.
Up in the club is where you found me.
So we're now getting ready for Hot Air Balloon Festival. Time check is 5 o'clock and we're about to leave for the Hot Air Balloon Festival.
Wait for me. Wait, where's the key?
Guys, we're finally here at the Pradera Flying Grounds for the Hot Air Balloon Festival. As you can see, niloloko na nila yung mga something. Hello, ma'am. Hi po.
Te, magkano yung ganito, te?
Nakailang sabaw ka na, wala ka pang in-order. Oh my fuck. Vlogging and bringing my luggage down is the hardest thing ever. Oh. Made it.